Good morning from one of the most beautiful Greek islands, certainly one of the most popular Greek islands, Santorini. I'm here for my cousin's wedding with all the family, and I've managed to sneak out for a sunrise shoot. It's quite stormy, it's very windy, I don't know if you can hear it, and I'm all alone. This is probably the most busy spot ever during sunset, so sunrise, I guess people don't care to wake up for. It's quite beautiful right now. The sun has started to rise. I will try to take a picture of Ia village here with the lights on, and then as soon as the sun rises I'll take another picture and I'll try to blend them if the camera hasn't moved too much. I've tried to take shelter here by the rock. Oh, cat. So I'm hoping the sun will come up from behind this mountain here and I'll be able to get like a starburst or at least some nice color. It's very cloudy. There's a big chance that we won't be able to see the sun at all, but I'm hopeful. I've got a 2-second timer, so when I click the button it stabilizes itself a bit before it actually takes a picture, and now we just wait for the sun. I'll be back for sunset, even though it probably gets really busy. The view over that side of the castle, this is the castle here, the old Byzantine castle. It is fantastic because we have some very nice windmills, and obviously the sun sets that way, so it illuminates everything. Now, very stormy clouds, which I like because you don't get this often here, but wish this wind would subside a bit. My eyes. Alright, no sunrise today. Gonna have to come back either for sunset or tomorrow morning. While I'm here, might as well scout for a sunset spot or a better time. The rain thankfully didn't last long, and the family and I decided to go explore the capital, Firat.
Get you whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing, as long as we can keep the fire. I'll do whatever you do, follow you anywhere.
We walked through the narrow streets, trying not to get run over by the crowds.
But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this.
And enjoyed some lovely Greek food.
Imagine living without it, so let's go.
The sun started to set, so we went back to the Byzantine castle at Ia village to witness that world famous Santorini sunset. It is as crowded as I told you it would be, but I was really happy to see that there were clouds in the sky that made for some really beautiful and dramatic images. Usually the Greek islands have clear blue skies, which don't make for the best photos, but this time I got lucky.
I know you're feeling it too. This short is something, I know that this will take us higher. I'll do whatever you do. Let's take cover before our chances are getting darker. But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this.
The morning before the wedding, I took my cousin Andrea and her fiancé Bruce for a stroll around in Merovigli village to take some pre-wedding photos of them.
For my feelings sometimes, got misdirected, you know what to say. And I was telling myself many lies, just like the old days. So is that what you want? Bring it in, another level and you feel like quitting.
day after the wedding, most of the family had left and I was free to explore, so I went to the red beach and slapped on a 10-stop ND filter to my camera and took a long exposure picture of the beautiful blue-green water contrasting red rocks. Since Santorini is a volcanic island, you can find all kinds of colored beaches here. So my next stop was the Black Beach, where I wanted to have my first swim of the year and take some nice minimal long exposure pictures of the waves hitting the black stones. Then I was back to Ia village, where I chose a different spot this time. This is another beautiful spot where you have these beautiful churches with the blue roofs and the rest of Ia unfolding right in front of you. This spot is actually so popular that you'll have to wait in a queue if you want to take a selfie. Last day in Santorini, one last sunrise. So I'm gonna head to where I was last night, where I did sunset. And if I look the other way, should be a nice sunrise view. Now to find it in this maze, wish me luck. What a beautiful sunrise. A perfect ending to a wonderful trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next week.